Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about how to export multiple profile view. So we can see on this drawing we have a lot of alignments and how to create multiple profile view for quickly. So I click editor and click export multiple and the form shown and we can see it's the setting surface to select and bend and we click the profile view and click the style for our surface and label style and we can create a profile file layout in style and click accept. I select the lot of alignment on this drawing and select the people. We can see the created for alignment